Hello everyone, a very warm welcome to all of you. Welcome to SWA Education, myself Radha. And today we are going to discuss about product development, stages in case of developing ideas in product and type and functioning of packaging material. And this lecture is mainly beneficial for the aspirant who are going to prepare for Telangana Food Safety Officer exam. So let's start with our today's lecture. So mainly we are going to target this portion. So let's start. Product development, consumer trend and their impact on new product development. Product development has been a hit source for the last 2 years now. Not participating in this debate seems challenging when all that's begin trending is the widespread hiring of expert. So in case of product development, whether you are building physical product or a software solution, this comprehensive list of product development trend will share insight on where you require paying special heed. 2022 will be the year of transition between pandemic and return of the old ways. From sustainable product adaptation to the impact of personalization, this transition year can make or break your market positioning in developing product and serving the consumer because it is a transition zone. Here are top 6 trends to influence your product development in 2022. So it is very important. First one is the key to business success is with the digital product. Second one is the demand for sustainability in product development. Third one is the requirement for specialized product manager. Fourth one is the need for the wireless tech, personalized product development. Business rely on data gathering for rapid product development feedback. So these are 6 trends to influence your product development. Next one is new product development process. New product development refer to the process that goes into bringing a new product to a market. So development of new product, that is new product development process. From brainstorming an idea to understanding if it fit into the market, it out to prototyping to final commercialization. Although it can be a rather lengthy process that sometimes require iteration, it's all done to ensure that your product is the best it can be before it reaches your customer and solve their need in the best possible way. So there are 7 stages of new product development process. First one is the idea generation, second one is the research, third one is the planning, fourth one is the prototyping, fifth one is the testing, sixth one is the product development, and last one is commercialization. These are 7 stages of new product development process. And our next topic is food packaging. So food packaging is necessary for protecting content from contamination and damage. So main idea behind the food processing is the prevention from contamination and damaging of the food. And it also serves to determine portion size and display product information. Because the packaging need for various type of food different or various type of food, many kind of food packaging material are available including aseptic processing. Aseptic processing is made up of a paper and aluminium mixture with a layer of polythene. It used for the food that need to stay sterilized, such as milk, drinkable product, liquid egg, processed food. So aseptic processing is just used to make a food sterilized or contamination free. And next, food packaging material are bag, boxes, can, cartoons, flexible packaging, pallets, trays, wrappers. So why is sustainable food packaging important? Particular concerns surrounding plastic include their accumulation in the ocean and landfill. So directly and indirectly it affects our environment. So the generation of micro and nanoplastic and human exposure to toxin when chemicals in food packaging transfer to food. So these eco-friendly food package often use sustainable bioplastic and plant-based extracts such as wheat, wood and bamboo that are biodegradable, reusable and free of hazardous chemical. So use of plastic means exposure to the toxin to the food. But when we use eco-friendly food packages, often use sustainable bioplastic plant-based extract like wheat, wood, bamboo. These are biodegradable, reusable and free of hazardous chemical. Hazardous chemical means chemical that are unsafe for human consumption. So sustainable food packaging option. Here are 5 eco-friendly food packaging options that are better for the planet and your health. First one is the glass container. Glass has a multitude of use and benefit for daily life. It is reusable, recyclable and durable material. That's also easy to clean and use as transportable food packaging. So glass, it is reusable, recyclable and durable material. So it is better for health and environment also. So glass food and drink container include water bottles and bento boxes. Next one is the stainless steel. Food grade stainless steel is durable, rust free, heat resistant, making it a safe choice for food storage. It is also reusable and recyclable. Next one is the bamboo. Bamboo is biodegradable and possesses many desirable traits for food packaging and it's durable and heat resistant. So it is also biodegradable. Biodegradable means it is made up of two terms, bio plus degradable, means degraded by the microorganism. Microorganisms are able to degrade bamboos. So bamboo is biodegradable and possesses many desirable traits for food packaging like it is durable, its durability and heat resistant property. Bamboo containing food packaging include countertop glass jar with bamboo lid, portable plastic free lunch box with bamboo lid, bamboo bread boxes and bamboo serving bowl. So bamboo contained food packaging include these countertop glass jar. So stainless steel, its property that it is its durability, rust free and heat resistant, as well as reusable and recyclable. That's why it is a safe choice for food storage. Bamboo is also biodegradable. Its durability and heat resistant property, that's why it is also a safe choice for food storage. And in case of glass container, they are reusable, recyclable and durable material. So that is also easy to clean and uses transportable food packaging. Next one is a rice husk. Rice husk is a byproduct of rice farming. That's low cost, renewable and biodegradable. So it is renewable and biodegradable. And how it is formed? It is a byproduct of rice farming. In one study, rice husk was shown to have bioadsorbent property, which means that it absorbs pollutant from its surrounding environment. Like there is a rice husk and there is a presence of pollutant in the environment. So it has the ability that it can absorb pollutant at the surface area of it. That is called bioadsorbent property. Absorption of pollutant on its surface area. What kind of pollutant is present in surrounding environment? So that is the bioadsorbent property of rice husk. So product made from this compound include sealable lunch boxes, shatterproof serving bowl. So that are the material that can made from it. So it is also renewable and biodegradable. That's how it is also a safe choice for food packaging. Next one is the gelatin film. Gelatin film are becoming more popular for food packaging due to their non-toxic property. Because there is absence of toxic substances, that's how they are more popular for food packaging, or we can say it is also a safe choice for food packaging. And just because of its low cost, reliable film forming capacity, that's how. And glass container, food grade, stainless steel, bamboo, rice husk and cellulose filled gelatin film are some of the most eco-friendly food packaging on the market. How these are eco-friendly? Because they are better for the environment and better for your health also. So that's how glass container, food grade, stainless steel, bamboo, rice husk and cellulose, they are biodegradable. There is absence of toxic substances, renewable property, durability, low cost. So these are the some property that make these friend eco-friendly and safe for the human use or the packaging of food material. So I hope this lecture is very clear to all of you. So thank you so much everyone. If you find this video beneficial for you, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe this channel for more such kind of videos. And if you have any query regarding this lecture, you can comment down below. Thank you so much.